Welcome to Learn with Amine. In this video, we'll take a look at how to pay the property taxes for Bexar County. Bexar County is in San Antonio, Texas, and if your home is located in any of the location within the Bexar County, this is the process that you use to pay property taxes. Please remember that the deadline for the property tax payment is January 31st every year. So please make a payment before this particular date. Usually the property tax bills are sent before November or before December. It sometimes depends on county to county when the property tax bills are mailed to the homeowners. So let's take a look. So this process is very similar for any county within Texas, but each of the counties has a different website. So you need to go. The easiest method of payment of the property tax is online. And so let's take a look at the Bexar County. So if you are paying the taxes, property taxes for the Bexar County, the website is www.bexar.org/1515/tax assessor-collector. Enter. It takes you to this particular website. It is saying Bexar County Tax Assessor website, and here it shows to you pay taxes online. When it says pay taxes, it means the property taxes. Click on it. Now this is talking about the credit card payments and the e-check payments. I always recommend that you need to check the processing fee before making a commitment to pay the property taxes through credit card or through e-check. So here if you see online credit card payment, 2.1% of the amount is used as a processing cost. So it is not a good idea. Just pay using online check payments, that is through e-check or ACH option, wherein you need to provide your bank details and the processing fee is 0, so no charge. So click on online e-check payments. So good thing about Bexar is that it accepts the check-in account and the savings account, and the bad thing is that it does not allow you to pay the taxes in a future date. It has to be pay the taxes today. Now you need to search the owner or the business name using the last name followed by the first name or first word of business. So let us search for Amine. Click on search. So it is showing you different accounts. Now if you are searching your own account, you can use your account number that you know from the previous year. This is corresponding to the tax account number. If you do not know your account number and this is the first year that you are paying the property taxes online by yourself and not from the escrow account, then you need to enter your name as an owner. So first you need to enter the last name followed by the first name. If you search by using first name and last name, then there won't be any records. You need to search using last name followed by the first name. Now let's click on this option. Assume that we are making a payment for this tax account number. Rather, let's consider this option because here it is showing that you can add this to a cart. There is some issue or the payments have already been made for these 3 account numbers, so there is no checkbox here. So click on this, assuming that that row corresponds to your own property and property tax. Now it's showing that for this particular specific address, the amount due for the taxes is $162, which is mentioned in the red. So this is the total amount due, and the prior amount due is $162. But anyways, the total amount due is $162. Now in order to make the payment for the property taxes for this specific address, assuming that this is your account number and this is your address, then you need to click on the option of click here to pay now. I am using this as a sample or a demo. You need to make payment of property taxes for your own address. Now here click on next. Then here it is saying you can click on So this is asking for the payment to the previous years because there is the previous year payment due. Okay, so if you are paying for this year, it will automatically apply to the current year. Okay, so there would be like 2024 already written over here. And what is the amount you wish to pay? If you cannot pay the property taxes in full, then you can make a partial payment. It has some repercussions if you do not pay in full, but please pay how much ever you can pay. I would recommend you to pay in full amount. Okay, because there are consequences of not paying the property tax in full. It's between you and your county tax assessor. Now click on next, and then you need to provide your full address. So you can enter your name, then you can enter the street address that you live at. It may be different from the property that you are paying the property tax for. You can enter your city, select your state, provide your zip code, then you need to enter your phone number, and you need to enter your email. So it is really important that you enter accurate email and phone number, because the email receipt or the payment receipt will be sent to the email, and they can have your details that you made payment. And please verify the information of the property address for which you are making the payment. Now click on next. Here it is again showing you the address for which you are paying the property taxes for, and here it would be 2024, and you need to select this payment amount. If you have made any mistake, or if there is any mistake in the property, this is not your property, then you need to click on edit payment, and you can change the tax account number for which you are paying the property taxes. Or else, if everything looks good, you can click on select payment method. Now here it is saying that you will be redirected to JetPay, which is the payment processor. So it has redirected you already. Now once again, let me tell you, if you are paying by credit card, the processing fee is about 2% of the total amount. So please check the option of e-check, which is basically e-check or ACH transaction, where you can give your account number details, so that the processing fee for the e-check transaction is $0. So you are going to save some money. Now click on whether it is for business or personal that you are making the payment, whether you want to make the e-check transaction from a checking account or savings account. Then you need to provide your name on the account, then you need to provide your routing number. You need to enter the same routing number. If you want to check what you have entered, then you can use this option. Okay, and this is the account number which is corresponding to the bank account number. This is not tax account number. Okay, and make sure that you enter the correct details, because if you have entered the incorrect details and if the payment is not successful, then there would be $30 charge for an unsuccessful payment. Now click on next step. This is where you can review your payment. Now it is saying that okay, it has identified that the routing number must be 9 digits long, so you can click on next step. Okay, so basically it is asking us to enter the valid routing number. So enter the valid routing number here and the valid account number here. So after you click on next step, you will be able to review the payment. Basically you can verify the property for which you are paying the property tax for. It will also show you your name and your billing address, and if there are any inaccuracies, please go back and make appropriate changes. Then it will show you the amount that you are paying about, and it will also show you the account details. Okay, and the last 4 digits of the account number, that is for the verification. And after you have verified that information, you can click on submit payment, and that would submit the payment for the property taxes. And as I have already told you, for the Bexar County, there is no payment on a future date, so the payment would be done at present. So this is like a pay now option. Good thing is that they have provided the savings account, because some counties do not allow you to make the payment from the savings account. They only want the check-in account. And another important a good thing is that the fee is $0. And also, so far as much as I know, in the year 2025, if there is an unsuccessful payment, the Bexar County does not charge $30 for the first unsuccessful attempt. So you can get a waiver for it. But if you submit the payment details again, and the second time there is the payment which is unsuccessful due to low balance or for inaccurate bank account information, then you would be charged $30 for the unsuccessful attempt for the second time. So this is about the payment of the property taxes to Bexar County, which is located in San Antonio. I hope this video has been helpful, and it is also timely. Today is January 12 when I am recording this, and the deadline for the payment of the property taxes is January 31st. So please get going, follow this video, and make your payment of the property taxes. I hope you are doing well. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.